And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, workers employed to Breathless and the Secrets Resort in St. James are arrested.
Operations at the resort came to a standstill today after they walked off the job demanding better pay and working conditions.
Now, while the management has promised to meet some of the demands, the workers remain doubtful.
Guests at Breathless and the Secret Resorts in St. James woke up to protesting workers who are up in arms about what they describe as unfair treatment by management.
Three staff doing weddings, events and preferred club. Tell me if I'm not injustice that. Tell me. We need staff to work. We overwork. One staff I do 10-man work.
They also point to what they say are discrepancies in salary deductions.
There is no transparency. We are just working, no transparency. Whatever we get paid every fortnight, that's it. We don't know what we're getting paid for. It's been 14 years I've been here. The commission for massages have been only 8%, and we've been begging for an increase, and there has been no increase.
3%.
Oh, right, because it will be 5% because 3% comes out of that 8% to pay somebody at accounts to do our commissions.
With workers on the outside, the hotel's operations came to a standstill. Guests were not pleased.
Everything's shut down inside, dude. You know, nothing's getting done. You know, there's no entertainment. You know, it's a lot less fun. You know, we're just kind of standing around, dude. Nobody's talking to us.
Management sometimes are a little bit too greedy. Yeah, so good for them, but don't spoil my holiday.
The resort's manager, Daniele Galagani, says plans are being put in place to address some of the issues highlighted within the next 24 hours.
I think most of the challenges I think we can resolve. So they're talking about shorter staff, they're talking about too much work. I think it's going to be my responsibility to do this one. But remember, I'm here to show, first of all, my empathy to the colleagues, because I like to be part of our colleagues. Like I say to everybody, we'll be back to in 24 hours with some concrete answers.
And a senior strategist in the Ministry of Tourism, Delano Sivrite, also tried to bring some semblance of calm.
Everything will be resolved overnight. They reconfirm a number of things that the bonus is set for Christmas. There's no change in that. Everybody will still have them 2 days off as much as possible per week. Things like that. But some of the low-hanging fruits with commissions and stuff, we're going to work with the team to see if we can find reasonable solutions to get those things done as soon as possible.
He went further.
The Ministry of Labour spoke to Minister Pernell Charles just a while ago on the phone, 4 times on the way down from Kingston. And he assured me that his people are meeting with them today at about 1 o'clock or any time now to run through the contractual and the other issues that you raised. The second thing that we do is that Minister Bartlett set up a task force headed by Professor Waller to run through some of the long-term contractual issues.
This is the second time hotel workers are protesting in under a month. On October 21, hundreds of Royalton Negril workers staged a protest outside the entrance of the hotel over poor treatment and low wages. Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.